Welcome to 22 Ocean Club Drive on the Amelia Island Plantation. I'm really excited to take you on a tour of this home today. This home sits just across the street from the ocean and is on one of the most prestigious streets on Amelia Island. So if you have a few moments, please come with me. We'll take a look at this house on the inside. This is one of the most well-built and eco-friendly homes in the area. The exterior walls are insulated concrete form, which is one of the strongest and quietest types of construction. You won't find a more energy efficient home. The ICF construction walls and spray foam insulation applied under the roof deck greatly reduces air infiltration. A geothermal air conditioning system pumps water from the Florida aquifer to cool the house in the summer and heat the home in the winter. Solar panels on the roof reduce the need for electricity. In fact, this home is so energy efficient that the average monthly electric bill for this nearly 4,900 square foot home was just $74. As you enter this home, you'll notice the beautiful travertine floors which span across a modern and open floor plan. The perfect design for entertaining friends and family, as guests can seamlessly flow from the kitchen to the dining table and from the bar to a cozy lounge, perfect for after-dinner drinks. Most of the living area is located upstairs to take advantage of serene views of the green space, and an elevator shaft was built into the home for future installation. The master suite is isolated on one side of the house and includes a spacious bedroom with a sitting area, walk-in closets, a beautiful bathroom, and even a home office, perfect for those looking to work from home. The Crestron smart home lighting and entertainment system connects all TVs, music, and lighting, which can be controlled by an app on your phone. You can program different lighting scenes for each room, and internet video and internet capabilities are hardwired into every room. There are 2 guest bedrooms and baths on the main floor, placed on the other side of the house from the master suite. Each bathroom has been beautifully finished to create a Ritz-Carlton spa-like feeling. Exquisite accent pieces like the modern wood and iron stairs and stone-adorned walls are an example of this home's attention to details. Downstairs is a large flex room which can be used in a variety of ways. Currently, it's being used as a really cool lounge with a mini bar, billiard table, and large TV. This is the perfect place to hang out at your own personal sports bar. You can put the game on the TV, serve drinks, and play a great round of pool. But this room can also be used as a 4th bedroom. It has a full bath, including a shower with 3 shower heads and easy access, designed to easily wash the sand off after visiting the beach or to give your dog a bath. This home has the perfect location. It overlooks a green space which connects to miles of walking and biking trails under a lush canopy of live oaks and Spanish moss. The beach is only 100 feet away. Every day, you can enjoy afternoon strolls down the beach or morning yoga sessions during spectacular sunrises. The Amelia Island Club's newly renovated Ocean Clubhouse is just down the street and offers a swimming pool overlooking the ocean with 3 restaurants and 3 bars, along with poolside and beachside drink service. This home just has it all, from high efficiency and green living to having access to miles of bike trails here on the Amelia Island Plantation. You're right across the street from the beach and right across from Amelia Island Club's Ocean Clubhouse for great dinners and afternoons at the beach. Not only are you a short drive away from historic Fernandina Beach, you have access to wonderful restaurants and dining and shopping opportunities. So thank you for touring this home with me today. Just contact me if you would like to have a personal tour or a virtual tour of this property. Thanks again.